invincible. We are taking that profit right to the bank.
I want to be a day trader.
Welcome to MightyOx. Oops. Lots of AI running, apparently. I gotta figure that out. Anyway, good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy, whatever day this is. Monday evening, that's what it is. Hope everyone's had a great day. We have a contract rolled. And ironically, we're about where we started today on the old contract. Good evening to you. Well, Daniel, there'll be no Monday evening stream next week or the following week. The evening streams will take off for the holidays. How you doing, Crypticon? Nice job catching the bottoms. In a regular workplace, that would be considered sexual harassment. Hey, JJR, how you doing? How'd you finish up today? That sounds good, JJR. A bit of a pullback there on NQ. We have about ATR about 8.5 on the 1 minute. Beautiful, JJR. Beautiful. I understand that. Pulls back nicely here. Pulls back. Feels like it wants to come down more. But we shall see. I shall see. You really like this. I'm a 50K guy. Everything I get is 50K. Yeah, it is. By far the most common. A canary? Yeah, it is. Did you guys see that the NASDAQ exchange is going to start 24-hour trading next year? Nice pop there. Blue candle, but I'm not trusting it. Hey, John. Good to see you. No trades yet this evening. Uh, Crypt? No trades yet this evening, Hassan. I hate to inform you, Hassan, but at this point in time, MightyOxTrading offers no death benefits. Hey, trades by. Good to see you.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
I got no problem with it sinking. Good trade. I should have taken that blue candle. I didn't trust it based on where it was, but it was a good. Ended up being a good trade. Yeah, I don't know how much volume they get overnight, but it's gonna be interesting. It's also gonna be interesting to see if that takes any volume away from the regular morning. It shouldn't, but I don't, be interesting. TL, I think I have an assignment for you. Feel like flying to New York? Tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. Do you have your Grim Reaper costume? Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that, Crypt. Hey, David. Yeah, I think that's what they call us now, JJR. He used to be a cop. He's not a cop anymore. John, did you see the Phillies signed Adolis Garcia today? In case you guys missed it, Lucid, 50% off any eval if you've never traded with them before. Up to then you can use it twice. Adolis? No, Adolis had a horrible 2025. One of the worst own base percentages in the league. It's probably not a lot. Here's an interesting fact to it. Of the 11 days of Christmas giveaways that feature a prop firm, well, okay, so it was 10 because one was Discord only. Lucid got the most interest. Almost 200 separate users entered that contest. Yeah, I'm surprised. Yeah, let me bring up the stats since I'm not taking blue candles right now. Let's see. Yeah, right now Lucid's leading with 191 users entering. Second is Tradeify with 167. Third is Take Profit Trader with 164. Fourth is My Funded Futures with 161. Then fifth is Trade Day with 144. And Funded Futures Network 142. Fidias with 127. Bolinox with 122. Who was the fifth day? Hold on. I'm forgetting who the fifth day was. Legends at 121 and coming in last. Apex Trader Funding with only 118 users entering that giveaway. Crypticon, you need a DOL. You should be setting your own DOL that's not even as high as their DOL. Oh, wow. I did not realize that, Tio. A DOL keeps you from blowing your account in one day. As long as it doesn't fail the account, I'm totally in support of daily loss limits. That way it doesn't allow you to go on tilt and just totally blow everything. And yeah, Lucid doesn't have a DLL. I didn't think Lucid had a DLL. We're chopping now. And this is why you're struggling, Crip. This is why I put the guardrails in place for our deal. Yeah, Lucid is one-time pay. And we are dripping back down now. Lucid, oh yeah, they're my rookie of the year for the year, John. And if I was forced to re-rank right now, I would probably put them in my top 5. All right, JJR, have yourself a great night. Enjoy the Celtics game. They are French, yes. And they screwed me out of thousands of dollars, so I don't like them. So a little trickle down here. If you haven't rolled your contracts, you should. No, I mean, this is a late roll. Remember that the current Apex sale is scheduled to end tomorrow night. We're down to 247 on NQ. Has everybody entered the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways? All 12 are now up. Thursday night is the deadline to enter. We don't know. Literally, Lucid's thing says until we say valid till we say so. That's literally what their ad says. Yeah, I mean, it's probably, they probably have an internal number, and whenever that number's hit, they'll end it. Gary BB. There's, give me 1 second here. I might want to take this trade. It might already be too late. There's 12 there. There's 12 different giveaways, Gary. Give me a minute. Are you on our Discord? I was right into the 9 EMA. That was probably not the smartest trade I've ever made. Yes. Don't make me make an animation of an ox rolling over. Do that for the next rollover, Hassan. Okay, got stopped out on that trade. It's probably going to go back up now. Nope, down it goes. Ooh, wow, whoosh. Likes to say I'm wrong and the most. Hey, USC, good to see you. Gary, the Gary BB. Are you on our Discord? If not, I'll figure out a way to get you all the links. You are on the Discord? What's your name there? Oh, no, you're not? Okay. Okay.
Rollover time.
Well, that was bad. Okay. Well, here it is for comic relief. All right. That was the one I should have taken. And I didn't. That's okay. There you go.
It's rollover time.
Okay, you don't need to worry about doing the CAPTCHA, Gary. I just verified you. And give me 1 second. Right back down. Give me 1 minute, Gary. I'm going to tag you in general chat in just a minute. Yeah, I just tagged you. It should lit up. It should have lit up. Blue candle. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Terrible fill on that. That was a 2 point 2 point slippage. And gets beaten back down. Really? I haven't ever seen any Superman movies. All right, Daniel. Took it off there for a very small gain. Only 5 ticks, but I felt like I was going to pull back before going higher. Eddie, that yawn was huge. Why don't you go sleep? That guy did the right thing by getting out there. Dude, if you see a trade you like, tell me. Ooh, gold popped. I didn't see that, John. I mean, he still had a 2.59 ERA, John. Under one whip. He had a great season. 29 saves. That's the blue candle I should have taken. That one, nice. Dude, get off my desk. No, come on. I am live streaming. You are in my way. Come on. Your butt takes up. I have two huge screens, and your butt takes up one of them. Come on. Move. Come on. Hey. Seriously, I'm not playing around. Eddie, if you don't get off my desk, I'm having Santa take back the water fountain and the laser red dot thingy I got for you for Christmas. Hey, stop pawing at the screen. Seriously, dude. Oh, okay. Oh, God. Oh. Have we talked about you losing weight? Huh? Have we talked about you losing weight? What fascinates you about my screens? Huh? As we reject their off of the 100 EMA. Oh yeah, we're all okay. Uh, he just didn't like that I actually picked him up to get him off the desk. No, I didn't. I don't scruff. He's too heavy for me to scruff. I'll be afraid of hurting him. Oh. Oh, you mean that's the scratching sound you heard? Yeah, that was him pawing at my screen. Yeah, it sure might have worked. I don't know where it wants to go. It's staying under the 9 on the 5-minute, which is causing me to weird out here what it wants to do. I'm hearing Sarah McLachlan now. Yeah, no one's going to buy that when they see how fat he is. When I go on camera during the Christmas party, I'm sure he'll pop up. We're still just chopping around here. The party is this coming Friday, correct? December 19th. The live stream. Technically all 3 hours. The winners for the contest will be announced at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central. Yep, no, 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Central. Make sure you all enter those contests. Or giveaways. They're not contests, they're like giveaways. Right now, we are just chopping. Who knows? There may even be a visit from Santa Claus. Yep, everyone should bring a covered dish and or some baked goods. Awesome, John. I hope you can. We will still be streaming next Monday and next Tuesday. I just wanted to do the Christmas party on Friday because A, no big news reports that day. B, I figure a lot of people might just call Friday the end of their time before the holiday. Figure it'd be best. And there's still a slight chance that the winners can get of the iPad and of the Nintendo Switch can still get their prize before Christmas. I sort of doubt it because my post office sucks, but it's a chance. Oh yeah, fresh right. Friday is triple witching. Oh, I need to do some AI for that. Oh, Hassan, can you do something with an ox in like a Christmas or Santa being surrounded by 3 witches? Let's see if I butcher this name. Hello, Alessandro Carollo? Did I say that right? Welcome. Right now, NQ is doing absolutely nothing. See you tomorrow, Crypt. Have a good night. He probably wants to eat with his family. Yeah, I need to bring up a gold chart in front of me. Let me do that. Let me bring up a gold chart on the 5 minutes so I can actually watch it. That would have been a nice bounce right there. It's going to be interesting to see which way non-farm payrolls takes us tomorrow. And then we have CPI on Thursday. I'm sure the new contract now has more because this morning when I checked it right as the stream started, it was even. There's a little pop on gold there. Roll over. Roll over. Silver. Silver's popping up after it moved down. Hanging around 64. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. I don't think I have an NKD chart anywhere. If I do, it's well hidden in all these tabs. I don't even know what I have in all these tabs. All these tabs probably could be gotten rid of. Oh wait, there it is. NKD's kind of... Oh wait, that's a daily chart, no wonder. NKD came down and then popped, and now it's kind of sideways. Chill out, TLNKD doesn't mean naked. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. NQ trying to push down now. No one's going to judge you on height here, Hassan. Well, I'm not sure how many are going to stay, but the 12 Days of Christmas has brought about, I'm guessing, about 50 new users into the Discord. Probably about 50 new followers on Twitter. And probably 100 or so new followers on Instagram. Gold is rising up nicely. Yeah, it has exceeded my expectations. We saw some new people in the stream this morning, too. Although, they kind of disappeared after Ace made his very bad joke. Yep, now we just need to maintain it. Hopefully, we can do that with the website that's going to be coming out soon after the new year. We are adding a few new prop firms here and there as well. John, RJ has not been in the stream in over a month, I don't think. I have seen him in Bob Anderson's stream at times, but not every day. I'm going to reach out. I mean, I think he just moved on for whatever reason. But maybe there's something else going on. This morning, Ace joke, Tio. Yeah, I mean, but he was already kind of fading away before that, John. It's like you're the only Canadian that's staying sane this year, John. First CFT, now RJ. Yeah, the Veterans Day joke caused him to leave that day, and I mean he came back in once or twice after, but he was already fading away from us at that point, and spending time over at Bob Anderson's. He would come in here in the morning early and then go over to Bob Anderson's once Bob Anderson's stream started. Quick move down there and then cured that purple candle, but I'm not trusting any of these moves right now. Yeah, I mean, I really appreciate everything he did for me. Not only the doing the extra hour, but the way he really stepped up when the things are going on with my mom and then her passing. I consider RJ a great friend, and I mean, for him to go radio silent on me hurts. Him not to talk to me about, oh wow, quick move down here. For him not to talk to me about whatever's going on or why if he decided to move on or what, kind of hurts. Good call on the move down there, Hassan. Very good call. I will. Absolutely, John. And like I say, because for some reason, I guess because I checked in on Bob Anderson one day to see if that's where RJ was. Now I get an alert every day that Bob Anderson has started streaming. So I look in and I have not seen his name for a while. So I'm hoping he's okay. That's why I'm going to reach out. I'm going to send him an email. This is a big drop here. Absolutely huge drop. This is a 75-point drop. Is there news? The only news I'm seeing is Ukraine claims it hit and disabled a Russian submarine in first underwater drone attack. Bob Anderson's been around a while, but he just recently started streaming. He used to just do a daily recap video and stuff. When he first started, he used his phone to take video of his computer screens. He's gotten better since then. Wow, that's not going to work either, huh? Wow, okay. I'm not sure when my reversal trade stopped working, but this is ridiculous. Nice job, son. Wow. We dropped 110 points in about 8 minutes on no news that has popped yet. Down 93 points on this 5-minute candle. That's about to close. Dead dropping. I need to start going for 10 frickin' points. That would have given me that would have given me 10 points. And it's right back up. Something is blue. What did I just blow? Tradovate. That's just ridiculous. I'm about to blow every eval I'm trading. Between yesterday and today. Or this morning and today. I already blew the Tradify. There's still no news on that drop. Yep, that one's not going to work either. Yep. Oh, yeah. Just when you think you got things figured out, Ox, it all goes wrong. The heck are you guys watching? Watch me watch this work now, where I should have waited for a blue candle. Nope. Well, that one didn't fake me out, at least. At least not yet. Don't even want to know what that was. Oh, yep, I blew the My Funded Features accounts. Oh, not all of them. Okay, I got 13 points back on one of the my funded futures. I think I blew 3 and only have 1 left. No, I still. Okay, now I blew that one. I have this one issue yet with fighting a trend like this and not taking the trend. And then I am going to be $1 million trader. I just got to stop this stupidity. And I tried taking a trade on topstep on the 5-minute chart. This would have been a 20-point trade so far, and the topstep X platform is not working. It says market market rejected. Market is in pre-open status. I lost 3 my funded futures and 1 Tradovate eval. I was only trading 1 funded. That one's now deep red. So that would have been an absolute great trade. And now this is pointing to the fact that maybe I need to move to a 5-minute chart, which I am really starting to think I need to do. Because this would be a 25-point trade right now off the 5-minute. And I'll show you the 5-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. So this is the 5-minute chart. First of all, let's just start from the beginning of the night. Purple candle here breaking the 9 leads to this. So there. Little blue candle from Pasadena would have gave a 10-point win here. This one here would not have worked. Could have got out with a 2-point loss. Purple candle here really isn't valid. and didn't really give me anything for this drop down. But this green candle here in this brown shaded area, you can see this popping up. Earlier today, big purple candle through would have been an entry. This purple candle would have been an entry. This blue candle would have been an entry. This one would have scared the bejesus out of me, but would have worked. This purple candle coming out of the brown, perfect. Purple candle here works. This one didn't, probably wouldn't have taken anything because of the wick. Another one. And then finally this one here works off the little brown area. Then it's the close. Excuse me a minute while I go over and see if people are complaining on topstep. People aren't complaining there. Can I? Well, hold on. I'm going to try something. Oh, so I had to restart my platform in order for it to work because of contract rollover. This is the most janky platform ever. At first I thought Project X was okay. I can't. It's the only thing topstep has. I can't. I mean, I don't use it on any place else, but on topstep, I have 5 funded accounts, so I got to use it there. By the way, I want to see something also beautiful here. Gold on a 5-minute chart. Look at this. So, I had the purple there that broke the 9. This blue candle really didn't work, but now look at these brown areas and the reversals. Little red candle after the brown. This move down was 39 down to 26, 13 points. Then you get this green candle after a brown area, move back up 31 to 43. That could have been another 10 points. Then you get another candle here for this reversal. That was perfect. Yeah, I did see that. The only one that hasn't made an announcement of what their plans are is the futures desk. Well, I mean, as far as I know, they're going to be forced to get rid of them as of February 28th. Nice work, John. You did way better than I did. I went back the 50 NQ points tonight. I got to start learning how to trend trade. Oh, I agree. I always thought it was stupid. And I warned Josh. I said, don't trust Fatak. Wavy. Now, I didn't see this coming, this rug pull. But I don't trust Fatak. Powerball's up to $1.1 billion. gold trying to pop. I think he's settled down now. Right back down.
Order LB. Order L.
There we go. That was a 5-point trade. Making some money back now. He's sleeping on the one chair. Nice pop. Falls back. Oh, I'm sorry, John. I missed your question. I'm still feeding the strays. Freezing my butt off. Yeah, she did, and now she's back out there. I hate, especially this cold weather. I don't know how they make it in this cold weather. Uh, no idea. I don't know any of my neighbors. I mean, I wish you could catch him and get him to a shelter.
Order held in.
Really, what, John? I didn't mean catching the neighbors and sending them to a shelter.
Order held.
Wow, now I finally got some luck. That was a 10-point trade. You have to remember, John, I don't leave my house. But I'm also, there's an empty lot between my house and the next house. And the house right across the street from me has been empty for a couple of years. I mean, I agree with that, but it's not like I'm not a friendly person. It's just I literally don't leave my house. This isn't the best neighborhood. I mean, it's not a horrible neighborhood. At least it doesn't seem like it, but it's also, not the best. Once I'm in the position to be able to buy land, I'll end up either renting this house out or selling it. Yeah, I mean, right up the street is dang, what is it? Oh. There's a place right up the street and I can't remember what it is. I mean, it's kind of a dying city because a lot of the big industrial stuff is gone. Hold on 1 minute. Please hold. Mueller Water Products Foundry. And then about another block up is ADM Mechanical Department. Ameren, Decatur Concrete Recycling. So yeah, I mean, not far off of the industrial stuff. Caterpillar has a big place over there too. I'm content for now. I mean, I decided to buy this house just because I'm not ready to move yet. But the goal still is to buy property and build on it in the future. Well, let me put it this way: wasn't ready to move yet, and I didn't want to deal with a new landlord if he had sold it to somebody else. But it'll be the first time I've ever owned the house or owned any property. So, it's the start of Mighty Ox Real Estate, which abbreviates to MORE, so more. We have lost all oomph. Or once again, oomphless. No Oompa Loompas. I want for Christmas is some oomph. There's a little pop. Have a great night, John. See you tomorrow. Oh, nice pop. There was some oomph. 22 points. I did not catch that long because I didn't get a signal for it. I am getting a 5-minute signal, but it's overextended on the RSI. All right, folks, that's going to be the end of the night. Not a great night for me, but that's okay. Back tomorrow morning in about 10.5 hours to get back to green. Hope everyone has a great rest of your night, and we'll see you then. Bye.